This load of laundry literally just took 7 hours. But let me explain. I really screwed up, and that's why I had to do so much laundry. So what happened was, earlier in the day, we had the house get cleaned, and I was just walking around the house, looking around at how they cleaned. After they left, I wanted to go take a shower so that, I would be clean and not screw anything up. But of course, I didn't look carefully, and there it was. The shower head was pointing outside the door, and I turned it on and did not notice right away, and there was water everywhere in our just freshly cleaned bathroom. That was really embarrassing, and I can't believe that happened. And when there was water everywhere, I had to get all of our towels, all of our carpets in the bathroom. They were just wet. And so I had to put all of that into the washer dryer, and we already had towels from us using them. So I just stuffed a huge load of laundry into here, and it took 7 hours to complete. But hopefully, taking 7 hours does mean that it is all dry. Surprisingly, it only used 3.4 kilowatts of electricity for this wash and about 30 gallons. So we'll see if everything looks clean and if everything actually is dry. So all the small towels I'm taking out right now, they feel pretty dry. And I took out these, I had to take out these large bath towels when I was drying the floor like a fool because I was panicking. There was so much water everywhere in our freshly cleaned bathroom that I just showed you, and it was so embarrassing. I was hoping my fiance would not get angry because it was such a freshly cleaned bathroom. Luckily she wasn't home and she was at work, but now she's going to be watching this and know all of my dirty secrets. Well, this was hard for it to dry last time, and surprisingly this rug is bone dry. Very nice. For 7 hours, I better hope that everything is dry in here. I'm taking everything out piece by piece. This is a thicker rug, and it is still warm and dry too. Wow, surprising. Very nice. Guys, I literally just went through all of the laundry in here, and everything is actually dry. Wow. This is very surprising. I'm very happy about that. It did take 7 hours. I'm not gonna be, pushing any greatness to this, but it did take 7 hours, but it did make everything clean and everything dry. Wow. And normally this would be 2 loads of laundry for us, so I'm quite happy that it's all can fit into one. Although, yeah, it still took 7 hours, so when, the fiance got home, the laundry was still running and she was wondering why. Alright, thanks for watching this video. I just wanted to make that quickly to talk about how this load of laundry took 7 hours, and it's kind of crazy. Alright, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you liked the video. Peace.